In this video, we are going to see how we can run Google Ads in under 5 minutes and using AI. So, by the way, you don't need to hire any agency or freelancer for running your Google Ads. Or if you don't have any expertise, no worries. We are run ads by AI. Okay. So, for this video, we are set a example of Lipspace. So, Lipspace is a interior design brand. We have a example, and next we are telling we run Google Ads with AI. So what AI we are using? We are using Grotech AI. It's a AI powered ads agent. It can create your ads, launch your ads, and also manage and optimize your ads on autopilot. So if you want to try this, just visit grotech.com, or otherwise I am starting the video. So when you sign up for this, going to see this clean dashboard where you can see there will be the brand section, advertising, creative hub, analytics. I will do it later, but for now, first thing is we need to set our brand. So just I am setting the brand of Lipspace. I'm just sharing their website and hit that. Okay. So it automatically give me the basic details of, like, there is the name, industry, descriptions, all of the brand kits for generating, and also here it's telling to choose two things. Okay. I'm just choosing get more sign up or inquiry on my site because I have inbuilt form on my site. Okay. And also bring visit on my website. Okay, that's it. Here you can choose your location, India or city, whatever, or phone number is the optional. After that, we need to choose the brand voice. So what the brand identity, what the brand guideline you can add, or otherwise AI will automatically figure it out. We are just go with default. After that, here is the main important part is the product and services, because one brand can be multiple products. Okay, so here you can see it automatically scan your website and find all of the products, but for now we want to leave space as a promoting brand. Okay, so we already create it. This is the name of the product. After that, for example, we want to run Google Ads, right? So we need to connect our ads account. Here you can see, just click. It takes, I think, might be 10 to 20 seconds for connecting your Google Ads account. I'm just connecting my Google Ads account. That's it. The brand section is complete. And what is all about brand section? We tell this is my brand, this is my guidelines, this is my product, and this is my ads account. So we fit Groteg. After that, we are just simply go to this advertising tab. The all of the magic it's happening by here. Okay, so we are just choosing Google Ads because Google Ads have multiple ads. So which ads? So for this video we are choosing Google Display Ads. Okay, just click on display, and here we need to choose our goal. Here you can see the three-step process for launching. So what the goal? So our goal is conversion, traffic, or whatever. So if you have conversion, lead form, for example, we are choosing traffic. Okay, we are sending traffic to our site for getting the form. Okay, form submissions. Okay, that's kind of. Now I'm just choosing the traffic. After that, I need to choose what to advertise, mean what the product or service. Here you can see already all of this, or you can add your own, but I just click on that lip space. Okay. After that, there will be the option of generate creative. So if you have your own creative, you can upload here or just turn it off, or you want to generate by AI, just you can upload some images from you, like for generating graphics. So I'm just uploading some graphics. That's it. I'm just quickly select some images and just hit generate. Now everything is done. You sit and watch back. Okay. So now what it in backend? So Grotech AI will reading your website, understand your business, generate the targetings for your Google ads, and it also growing up with the creative hooks, selecting the creatives, like everything what you think about, which takes a marketing agency or marketer. Even if you are running it, it takes a lot of time to research all of this. So now sit and watch this. Okay, so now here you can see how your ads look like. I think you might be see this kind of ads on Google, right? And here you can see all of the ads, all of the copy, and everything is designed by AI. And I will show you step by step. So here you can see it generate graphics, or if you want your own, you can upload by here, or there will be multiple tools of creating graphics. Visit growtech.com or sign up for free trial. Okay. And here you can see the logo, it automatically extract. Now here you can see it select the headlines, select the descriptions, and also here you can see the all of the targeting, what people are searching about your brand, about interested. So that's, so when people search these keywords and they see your ads, so it might be very helpful for you. And everything here you can see it select the India, but you can select your own, like what the service area you want. And it also select the 25 to 49 business age peoples, like people who are really interested about your service. Here you can like paste your website where people are click your ads and go where. And also here you can the set the budget. Here you can see the budget, it select 500 rupees, but if you want to recommend what according to your product price, and it will automatically give you what the initial budget you need to start the campaign, so you don't need to worry. So if I click on the launch button, our ad will be live. So that's the simple how you can run ads using AI. And the best part, you don't need to go anywhere for checking the result. Here you can come on the advertising and scroll down. Here you can see all of the result, and I give you example of that. Here you can see how much spend, clicks, everything. If you want to edit something, there will be the option you can edit to using Grotech AI. And also here is the optimize. AI will automatically optimize and manage your ads by autopilot. So if you want to try this Grotech AI, just visit grotech.com. I will be share on the description on the pin comment of this Grotech AI trial link. So just visit grotech.com and sign up for the free trial. I'll be see you later. Bye.